I have the opportunity to interact with our graduates on a day-to-day basis, right from the moment when they enroll at Ultimate Academy all the way through graduation and beyond when they're starting to set up their businesses. We're all about support here at Ultimate Academy. We have a great team of people that are dedicated to making your experience here wonderful. We provide comprehensive training in home staging, Feng Shui, professional organizing, decorating and redesign, event planning, and digital marketing.
At Ultimate Academy, we pride ourselves on helping our clients plan, launch, and run their own companies. All of our programs here at the Academy, I really feel came out of the love of, just wanting to help other people.
Same thing when it comes to working with a business, especially a new business. It needs that marketing to fuel it.
We really do pride ourselves on the amazing relationships that we build with our clientele, whether they're coming in for staging, organizing, feng shui, decorating and redesign, or event and wedding planning. We really take great pride and help to foster good, strong relationships with our clients.
We have a really great information night presented by Eileen and Greg Taylor, the instructors, and they'll talk about all of the opportunities in the industry, what our programs can offer, and all of the great course packages that we have available.
Hi, my name is Blake Taylor and my role at Ultimate Academy is a tech specialist. I work closely with Greg and Jill's team to provide after-course support for our graduates. From adding an email signature on your phone to designing a website, I do it all for our graduates so they don't have to worry. The team at Ultimate Academy put our graduates first so you can achieve great success.
I just started my home staging course a few days ago, and so far I have learned so much. Ever since I could remember, I wanted to be a home stager, but I never had the confidence to try, and I'm so happy that finally I took the plunge and am here. We can ask questions, we can have discussions. The small class sizes are phenomenal.
So the agent, when they're doing an open house, the cards are collected here. What else may go on here?
For the last 3 days, I think this was a great experience. It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of professionalism.
I didn't have any idea where to start, how to price my stuff, where to get my accessories and rentals, and your team at Ultimate Academy has really helped build my motivation as well as my confidence and given me the tools that I didn't have before, that I can literally launch my business tomorrow.
Bingo, that's exactly it. What other services are you offering?
I'm so excited to take what I've learned into the real world of home staging, and I think I have the confidence now only because I've learned it here at Ultimate Academy.
And when we have our closing ceremonies at the end of every program, one thing that we always say is welcome to the family.
This will be opening new doors, new chapters for me. So I just wanted to say thank you so much.
I've taken various courses over the years, and I will truly say this has been one course I've connected with on a pretty deep level.
This has truly been life-changing for me. Hopefully this is the start of a really good new chapter in my life. And for me, it just hasn't changed like my career perspective, but in general, just the way that I've been carrying myself all week, like just going to order a coffee, like I've just felt so much more confident, and I think it's because of you guys.
Being in a situation where we can help our clients, where they see their gifts, they see their talents, we help them to build their confidence, to inspire them and to encourage them to go forward, means the world to us.